Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 3 over x into 3 over x is equals to x over 3, and we should solve this question for this x. In order to solve this question, first we should multiply both of these fraction as we get 9 over x square is equals to x over 3. Now in the next step we should multiply, or we should cross multiply the values. As a result we should get x square into x will be equal to x cube, and 3 into 9 will be equal to 27. Now this 27 will move from here to there. As a result we should get x cube minus 27 equal to 0. As we know that this 27 can be written as 3 is to power 3, then our new equation will be x cube minus 3 cube equal to 0. Now as we know that a cube minus b cube formula is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If we replace this x from a and this b from 3, then this formula can be opened as x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9 is equals to 0, and this is a simplified form of this equation. And now from here we should get the value for the x. For this purpose, first we should write this x minus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So first we should solve this one-step linear equation, and for this purpose, in order to get the value of for the x, first we should move this minus 3 from the other side of the equation. As a result we should get x is equals to 3, because when this minus 3 will move from one side to other side of the equation, we should first value for the x, which is x is equals to positive 3. Now you can see that our second equation is a quadratic equation, which is x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. But here we can see another thing. This equation is quadratic, a standardized quadratic equation, but not a factorizable equation. In order to solve this equation, first we should identify the value for a, b and c. So here a is 1, b is 3 and c is 9. Now as we know that the quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And we should replace this b, a and c from 1, 3 and 9. As a result we should get x is equals to minus 3 plus minus under root 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 over 2 into 1. Now we should simplify these under root value, as 3 square will be equal to 9 and 4 into 9 into 1 will be equal to 36. Now 9 minus 36 will be equal to minus 27. Entire other values will be same. Now this minus 27 can be written as 3 under root 3. So here we get two more values for the x, which is x is equals to minus 3 plus minus 3 under root 3 iota over 2. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.